So look at these, you guys. So a friend of ours gave us some beautiful quail eggs that was on their farm. Look at these. They're like beautiful works of art. I mean, everything is, right? God is the ultimate artist, obviously. He created everything, but these are just so pretty. They're like beautiful little rocks. Our daughter was like, "Oh, look, they look like dinosaur eggs." Oh my goodness. They're so tiny. So we are going to eat them. So yeah, they're too tiny to like go through the whole process of scrambling, cracking and scrambling and all that. So what I am going to do is just boil them. So yeah, and give them to the kids because they're so tiny. So kids love to eat small cutesy things. But yeah, you guys, quail eggs. Ah!